Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Unplugged. In this episode, you will practice a real conversation with me. The topic of today's practice is introducing yourself. Here is how this practice works. I will say a sentence or ask you a question. After that, I will pause for about 5 seconds. During that time, you should read the answer on the screen and say it out loud. Pretend you are the second person in the conversation. Speak clearly and try to say the full sentence. If you need more time, you can pause the video and continue speaking. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to practice speaking and build your confidence. So get ready, speak loudly, let's start. Part 1. Greetings. Hello, how are you today? I am doing well. Thanks for asking. It's nice to meet you. Are you having a good day? It really is. I love days like this. Part 2. Your name. Can I ask your name? My name is Sarah. That's a nice name, Alex. Do people ever call you by a nickname? Part 3. Where are you from? Where are you from, Alex? Oh wow, that sounds interesting. Where do you live now? Do you like living in Toronto? Have you ever visited another country? Part 4. Age and family. If you don't mind me asking, how old are you? Oh, March. March is a lovely month. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Are you married? I am married. My husband and I have 2 kids. Part 5. Work and studies. What do you do for work? That sounds like a great job. Do you enjoy it? How long have you been working there? Did you study computer science in college? Part 6. Hobbies and interest. What do you like to do in your free time? Wow, you have many hobbies. What kind of books do you like? Do you play any sports regularly? Do you have any hobbies related to music or art? Part 7. Saying goodbye. It was really nice getting to know you, Alex. We should do this again sometime. Maybe get coffee? Great, I will be in touch. Take care of yourself. Goodbye, Alex. It was a pleasure meeting you. Great job. If you spoke the sentence out loud, you are already improving your English speaking skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. You can watch this video again and repeat the conversation to practice even more. In the next episode, we will practice another real life conversation to help you speak English more naturally. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next video.